Welcome everyone. Let's see the next question in PYQ series. So this question is asked in UPSC CSAT 2023 and the topic was speed and distance. So let's start the question. A person can walk a certain distance and drive back in 6 hours. He can also walk both ways in 10 hours. How much time will he take to drive both ways? That means what the question is saying, that let us suppose there is a person goes a certain distance, and let us suppose the distance is d, and if he goes for the first time walking and coming back with car, so he taking 6 hours, you can see. And what the question is saying, if he goes with walking and comes back also walking, so he takes 10 hours. So the question is asking that if he goes with car and he also come back with car, so how much time it will take? So if you logically see, that means the person is saving 4 hours, right? In first case he is going with his bare foot, but he's coming back with his car. But in second time he goes with barefoot and comes with also barefoot. That means in both the cases he's saving 4 hours in car, right or not? That means he's saving 4 hours. What does that mean? That means if he goes both ways with car, that means he will be able to save 8 hours, right or not? One way he saves 4 hours, that means both ways he is going to save 8 hours, right? But he totally takes with walking 10 hours. What does that mean? That means if he goes with car, then the time will be, what will the time? He is going with barefoot, he taking 10 hours in both ways, and if he goes with car he saves 8 hours, right? That means in car he can come back in 2 hours. This will be the answer. So this is the smartest approach for this question. Smartest approach. If you solve with equation, it will take time. But if you will solve with reasoning, then it will like a 2-minute question or 3-minute question. So try to solve in reasoning, not to go with method or something like that, because UPSC just testing your reasoning. What does that mean? That means if it goes with walking and comes back with car, that means he is taking 6 hours. But he goes with walking and comes back with walking, he is taking 10 hours. That means the only difference is 4 hours is because of car, which he has taken to come back in first trip, right or not? That means if he goes with both ways, that means he will able to save 8 hours, right or not? That means if he is going with barefoot and coming back with barefoot, he is taking 10 hours, and if car he saves 8 hours, that means in car he will be only taking 2 hours. This will be the answer. Thank you so much. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is my humble request, because if you able to understand, that means you should like it. Thank you so much.